Welcome to this Techie Toys video. In this video, you will learn how to set up your PC for a remote flash. Let's get started. From your PC, open up your web browser and go to www.techietoys.com. Once the site loads, click the software link located at the top of the page. On the software page, select the link to download TeamViewer 7. Now select the link to download USB Redirector. Once these programs have downloaded, you need to install them. When the programs are finished installing, you are ready for your remote flash service. This video has been brought to you by Techie Toys for all your wireless needs. Please feel free to check us out on the web at www.techietoys.com.